What's good, notification gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, y'all asked for it, man. I asked y'all what cut y'all want to see from me, man. I looked at the results. Everybody picked drop fade, man. Y'all don't want to see me with no design. Y'all want to see me with the drop fade. So I'm about to go get the drop fade, man. If you new, go on and hit the subscribe button, like I said. Yeah, man, let's get into it.
They wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah.
It about to go down. They're gonna be a very short and simple video. I really don't think I can record in you feel me? But if not, you feel me, I'll make some work for y'all, man, you feel me? So it might be a short video, just showing the cut, really, you feel me? Let's get it, man. Gang.
A few moments later.
Oh man, look, I almost forgot about the giveaway.
What?
Woohoo! I almost forgot about the giveaway, man. So I got 3 brushes right here, except for this one right here, man. You feel me? I had to cop me one since I'm about to start a new journey, man. But I had to get me one, so that one out the picture. But these 2 is up for giveaway, man. Straight out of Brush King, man. You see, they still got the seal on these guys, man. I told you I don't be playing, man. Both of these are medium hard brushes, man. Medium hard brushes, man. So yeah, I got both of these. Torino gang, you feel me? You already know I rock with the Torino. Don't ask me why. And I also got the red by Kid Durags coming in, bro. You feel me? So no further ado, man, we gotta get into the giveaway, man. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start out with the brush and the do-rag. We're gonna go on to get this away, man. So what I did, I'm gonna open up the randomizer. I'm gonna share my screen with y'all because I'm gonna go on the screen record this so y'all don't think I'm capping about that. So I'm gonna pull that up, start that, boom. Alright, so what I did, I put everybody that qualified for this giveaway until all the numbers that qualify for the giveaway into this. And what it's gonna do is when I pick one, it's gonna give me 1 out of all these numbers, you feel me? And we're gonna go from there. So the one we about to pick is for the brush and the do-rag, like I promised. I wanna say thank you to everybody that participated into this giveaway, man. It's major. So we're gonna go on to get this popping, man. First winner gonna be 692. I didn't write the name down to this, but I will be leaving the name on the screen. Congratulations to you, man. Hey, you just won the brush and the do-rag, bro. No cap. What I need you to do is, I'm gonna have a comment down below, so you can come in that comment and drop your IG. So when you inbox me on IG, I know it's you, and we'll go from there, man. Hey, congratulations, bro. They're gonna give away the brush, man. We're gonna give away the net brush. So the winner for this brush gonna be 105, man. Hey, 105. Congratulations, man. Hey, I need you to do the same thing. Drop your IG, so when you inbox me on IG, claim your prize and stuff, we can go from there, man. Hey, appreciate you. Last winner gonna get this do-rag, man. So we're gonna see who gonna get this do-rag. Let's get it. 778. Hey, man. I need you to do the same thing I told them to do. I'm gonna have a pinned comment below And I need you to drop your IG in that exactly like how it is. So when you inbox me, I know it's you, man. Hey, big round of applause to everybody that participated, man. Like I said, if you didn't win, I got plenty more giveaways coming up. Next giveaway gonna be at 15. I said 20, but the next giveaway gonna be at 15K, man. So, hey, man, appreciate y'all for rocking with me. You already know who it is, man. SwaggDrizzle, man. I'm gone.